What is going on? My name is Ariel D Juice from Juicy Tech YouTube channel. I'm just here on my lunch hour from work. I'm wearing the tank top, so I'm kind of unprofessional. My actual top that I'm wearing, or shirt, is this sweater here, but it's really warm outside, which is nice. So just wanted to get a little comfortable. So I bought this from home, obviously, to just enjoy the weather because it's hot. So anyway, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Comment, like, and share. And this episode is also sponsored by Course Careers, which is a online school helping people land tech jobs such as IT, software engineering, stuff like that. So if you're interested in earning between $50,000 to $100,000 plus per year, definitely check out Course Careers. More information in the very bottom. And let's talk. So again, I'm here in my lunch hour enjoying the weather. It's hot here in South Florida, so this just makes sense. Yeah, man. So I do just want to talk about something real quick, which is people finding work after Course Careers, basically. And again, this is sponsored by Course Careers, so I will speak highly of the company since I am a alumni of the school. I took their IT course path, guess you want to say that, or the career path, and I'm currently working in IT right now. So I will show you my badge from work to have access to the building and to different rooms, of course, within the facility. I won't show you too much information, but maybe just my first and last name. I won't disclose the employer's name or anything like that. None of your business. But just maybe a picture, and let me just try to blot some information here. That's all I'll give you right here, right? That's all I'll give you. So yeah, man. So I'm currently working a full-time job now. I was working before in IT, but it was more just contract roles, which is great because you can make a lot of money working contract. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to have something more permanent, and this just seems to work well for me. So again, I'm here working in this current building, as you can see behind me. It's a very, very big building, and they have a IT department. There's a software engineering department. There's of course, place for the VPs, your customer care people, your tech support people. It's a big place. Pays really well. But yeah, man. So I'm just one of those people that actually found work after Course Careers, and I'm just speaking highly of the company because it worked. I took the course, and it did help me land different jobs after I passed the exam with Course Careers. The Course Careers, the information technology exam, it did help me land jobs. I mean, there's multiple factors of how I'm able to find employment. Not to mention me having the proper references and having a work experience in terms of me already having work experience working with people, if that makes any sense. I've worked within teams. I understand they're like just different technologies. Microsoft 365, MySQL, Azure, of course. Just different technologies I understand well. All those things help me land jobs, And yeah, I'm just really here to just speak about my experience right now with Course Careers, and it was a good experience. Now, again, I keep saying this, it is sponsored, but I speak so highly of them because I'm experiencing great things after taking their course. And it was not that expensive. It's less than $1,000, less than that. And they help you build your resume. They help you build your cover letter. They help you build your LinkedIn. You can do that by yourself, but they have a better system in place for you to really optimize your LinkedIn to stand out to employers and HR people. It's just a phenomenal system they have in place right now, and it's for different job titles. So if you're looking to get into software engineering, data analytics, project management, sales, tech, of course IT, it's something for everybody, man. So it works. That's all I can tell you, is it does work. Now, I do want to say this also. You still have to put in some work in terms of making sure you put in enough applications and talk to people, meaning talk to different recruiters, HR people, CEOs of companies, of startups. It's your job to still put yourself out there, and that's where LinkedIn and those types of social platforms are relevant to help you land those jobs, because that's you putting yourself out there, showcasing your skills, showcasing your work experience, your skill sets in terms of soft or hard skills. All that will be disclosed on your LinkedIn, and this is why I'm really big on networking. It's a real thing. That's something that also helped me land different jobs, by just talking to people and knowing people, and they know me and they could vouch for me and be my reference. It makes sense. And not doing these things, to me, will only hurt your career that you're looking to start, by not taking advantage of these opportunities, which is networking, building a nice LinkedIn account, really set that thing up. Your resume has to be on top of your game. Your resume has to be up to date, it just makes sense to do all these things. But again, my experience with Course Careers has been positive. I'm sure I could speak for a lot of different people as well. Yeah, man, it was very, how should I put it, what term to use, professional, right? It was very professional, and there's so much help within the company, meaning there's a Discord, there's emails that you can email people if you have questions, basically. There's access to people to really, help you understand whatever you're trying to learn. And of course, it's all on you to do more research, to take labs that they have available on Course Careers. Yes, they have actual hands-on training, so you can get like a real feel of what you'll be doing in the field. And that's something I very much adore about Course Careers. They have laboratories where they're teaching you about Microsoft Azure. That's what we're using right now at my employer. Azure is what we use to manage the users. So we're not using Active Directory, but Azure is what we are using to reset passwords, authenticate things, to manage all the users. And we're talking thousands of people within this current employer that I work for right now. This is how we manage the users. So it's incredible. And I had a better understanding of Azure because of the laboratories we took at Course Careers. I knew exactly what I was doing. I mean, it wasn't brand new to me at all. So it was just beautiful, man. It was perfect, And yeah, man, all thanks to Course Careers, man. I mean, again, I speak so highly of them, but at the same time, my experience has been great. And that's why I keep putting out content about them, because they help me land jobs. They help me land this job. I mean, again, there's multiple factors in how I'm able to find employment. My skill level in terms of hard skills, soft skills, my references, my work experience, all that did help. Even me going to a coding boot camp helped a lot to land different jobs in IT. So listen, listen, I need you to do more research, right? In terms of whatever field you're looking to get into, do more research, understand what type of different technologies you'll need to learn, right? Teach yourself this first before spending any money on any institution or programs or courses. Teach yourself all the 101s, the fundamentals. It makes sense. To me, not doing this is only going to just make things harder for you because everything's so brand new to you. Why do that to yourself and do the opposite? Make things easier for yourself and be ahead of the game. Meaning, once you decide to, I guess, graduate to taking a more advanced course like Course Careers, or maybe go to a college or whatever, trade, vocational school, I don't know. You're not so new to everything because you've done research, you've practiced. It makes sense. So I encourage anyone watching this, if you're interested in joining Course Careers, I encourage you to teach yourself as much as you can. If you're into software engineering, teach yourself whatever, maybe you want to be like a back-end engineer, front-end, UX UI designing. The point is, know exactly what type of technologies you'll need to learn to perform that job correctly. If that makes any sense. Because you don't always need to know. Maybe you want to work in designing, you don't need to know about Java. You don't need to know about MySQL. it's just it's a waste of time for you, because you know for a fact what you need to learn to work in UX UI designing. You need to learn or have skills in JavaScript, or have some skills in, you know, I think I said it right, CSS. I think I said it. I'm not sure if I said it right. Forgive me if I said it incorrectly. Or just having experience with Bootstrap, or React. You get my drift. You know exactly what technologies you need to learn, and you're not wasting time learning about things that you should not be learning, depending on what job or job title you're looking to get into. I hope I'm making sense. I really hope I am making sense to you. Most likely you don't really need to know about the back end of building an application or whatnot. You see what I'm trying to talk about. So yeah, man, do research. I pray to you I'm making sense, and if not, I do apologize. But I guess the point I'm trying to make is, teach yourself as much as you can before spending any money on any course or institution. It makes sense to me. But besides all that, let me enjoy the rest of my break. Beautiful day out. As you can see, the sunroof is open. It's nice out here. And I'm just enjoying my little 1 hour break, and that's it. Just wanted to put out this video and give you my update on what's going on with my career in IT, and so far so good. So have a wonderful day. Much love to you. Thanks for watching, and peace out.